In this video, I'm going to show you the top 10 passive income ideas for 2023. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 10 passive income ideas for 2023. Now, a lot of these things might change by then, but these are some really solid ways to make money without having to do much work. So whether you're looking to quit your job or just want some extra cash flow, you'll want to stick around for this one. 10. Invest in rental property. For many people, the dream of owning their own home is just that, a dream. But with the rise of the gig economy and the growing popularity of the sharing economy, more and more people are choosing to rent instead of buy. And while renting has its drawbacks, there are also some compelling reasons to invest in rental property. For one thing, rental income can provide a much-needed boost to your finances. And as a landlord, you'll also have the opportunity to build equity in your property while providing a place for someone else to call home. Of course, being a landlord isn't for everyone. But if you're up for the challenge, investing in rental property could be a smart way to secure your financial future. 9. Create an online course. The online world has created new opportunities for those looking to generate passive income. One popular option is to create an online course. This can be a great way to share your knowledge with others while also generating income on a regular basis. There are a number of platforms that allow you to create and sell courses, and the income potential can be significant. In addition, creating an online course is a relatively low-cost way to start generating passive income, and it can be done entirely on your own schedule. If you have expertise that you would like to share with others, creating an online course is a great way to do so. 8. Start a blog and sell advertising space. If you're looking for a creative way to make some extra money, starting a blog and selling advertising space is a great option. Not only will you be able to share your passion with others, but you'll also be able to generate some passive income. And best of all, it's one of the top 10 passive income ideas for 2023. There are a few things you'll need to do in order to get started. First, you'll need to choose a niche for your blog. This can be anything from fashion to travel to parenting. Once you've settled on a niche, you'll need to choose a blogging platform. There are a number of different options available, so take some time to research which one will work best for you. Once you have your blog set up, it's time to start writing content. Be sure to write on topics that your target audience will be interested in. Once you've built up a body of work, you can start approaching businesses about advertising on your site. Generally speaking, the more traffic your site gets, the more money you'll be able to charge for ad space. 7. Write an ebook and sell it on Amazon. There are many different ways to make money online, but one of the most popular methods is to write and sell ebooks. In recent years, self-publishing has become increasingly easy, and platforms like Amazon have made it possible for anyone to reach a global audience. Best of all, once you have written your ebook, it can continue to generate income for you for years to come with very little effort on your part. So if you are looking for a passive income stream that you can set up and forget about, writing an ebook is a great option. Just be sure to choose a topic that you are passionate about and that you think people would be interested in reading about. With a little time and effort, you could soon be earning a steady income from your very own ebook. 6. Create a membership site. If you're looking for a way to generate passive income, creating a membership site is a great option. By charging a monthly or annual fee, you can provide your members with access to exclusive content, courses, and other resources. Plus, since the revenue is recurring, you can count on it month after month. Best of all, setting up a membership site is relatively easy and does not require a lot of ongoing maintenance. With just a few hours of work up front, you can start generating passive income from your membership site for years to come. 5. Invest in dividend stocks. There are many different ways to earn passive income, but one of the most effective is to invest in dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are stocks that pay out a regular dividend, which can provide a steady stream of income even when the market is down. While there are some risks involved with any investment, dividend stocks tend to be relatively stable and can provide a good return over time. With the right strategy, investing in dividend stocks can be a great way to generate passive income 2023. 4. Buy a piece of land and rent it out for parking or storage. Are you looking for ways to earn passive income? If so, then you may want to consider buying a piece of land and renting it out for parking or storage. This is an excellent way to generate income without having to do any active work. You can simply purchase the land, set up some signage, and then start collecting rent from tenants. There are many benefits to this type of passive income stream. For one, it requires very little effort on your part. Once you have purchased the land, you can practically set it and forget it. Additionally, this type of rental income is relatively reliable. People will always need somewhere to park their cars or store their belongings, so you can count on a steady stream of income. And finally, this passive income strategy is relatively low risk. Unlike other investments, there's very little chance that the value of your land will go down over time. So if you're looking for ways to earn passive income, then buying a piece of land and renting it out for parking or storage is definitely worth considering. With minimal effort and risk, you can enjoy a steady stream of income that can help you reach your financial goals. 3. Collect royalties from intellectual property you own. If you're looking for a way to generate passive income, you may want to consider collecting royalties from intellectual property you own. This can include things like patents, copyrights, and trademarks. While it may take some time and effort to secure these rights, once they're in place, you can begin collecting royalties without having to do any additional work. In addition, this is a relatively passive income stream, as the royalties will continue to come in as long as the intellectual property remains valid. As a result, it can be a great way to generate ongoing income with minimal effort. 2. Rent out your extra room on Airbnb or another short-term rental site. Do you have an extra room that you're not using? If so, you could be missing out on a great opportunity to generate some passive income. By renting out your extra room on Airbnb or another short-term rental site, you can earn money from visitors who are looking for a place to stay. In addition to generating income, this can also be a great way to meet new people and learn about different cultures. If you're interested in giving it a try, there are a few things you need to keep in mind. First, you'll need to create a listing that includes information about your room and amenities. Next, you'll need to promote your listing to potential guests. Finally, you'll need to be prepared to host guests and make sure they have an enjoyable stay. With a little effort, renting out your extra room can be a great way to generate some extra income. 1. Invest in peer-to-peer lending. If you're looking for a way to earn some extra income in 2023, consider investing in peer-to-peer lending. Also known as P2P lending, this is a type of lending that allows individuals to borrow and lend money without going through a traditional bank or financial institution. Instead, loans are arranged between two individuals or a group of investors through an online platform. This can be a great way to earn some passive income, as you can simply invest your money and then sit back and wait for the interest payments to come in. Of course, there is always some risk involved with any investment, so be sure to do your research before getting started. But if you're looking for a relatively low-risk way to earn some extra money next year, P2P lending could be a good option for you. Peer-to-peer lending is a form of lending in which individuals lend money to other individuals without the use of a financial institution such as a bank. This type of lending can be a great way to invest your money, as it can offer higher returns than traditional investments such as savings accounts or bonds. There are a few things to consider before investing in peer-to-peer lending. Firstly, you need to decide how much you want to invest. You should also research the different platforms available and decide which one is right for you. There are a few things to look for when choosing a platform, such as the fees charged, the minimum investment amount, the types of loans available, and the repayment terms. Thank you for watching our video. We hope it provided some entertainment or valuable information for you. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. That way, you'll never miss a new video from us. We strive to create content that is unique, interesting, and helpful for our audience. Thank you for your support, and we hope to continue bringing new and exciting videos to you in the future. Keep an eye out for them by subscribing and enabling notifications. Thank you again for watching.